Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up membership questions on Skool. So first head over to skool.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is head over to your community, then click on the settings button. Next in the left panel, click on plugins, then click on membership questions. Then from here, make sure that you toggle this on. So this feature will ask members up to 3 questions when they request to join your group. So here we have an example. So if we try to click the join group button, as you can see, there are membership questions that are being asked before someone can fully join the group. And now once you toggle this on, you can start adding your own questions for your community. Click on it. Now start adding your question and you can add up to 3 questions. Then next is choose response type. If it's text box, basically for more essay type answers and for multiple choice, of course for questions that need to pick a choice and email address. You can also ask for their email address before they can join your community. Then once done, head over and click on add. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!